Hello friends, thank you all for watching my videos. I am Danz, and you are watching Tect and Learn with Danz. If you are new to your keyboard and want to type something from it, but you don't know the use of those keys on your keyboard, then you are in a right place, because this video must help you know and understand more about the keys and its uses on your keyboard. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribe my channel Tect and Learn with Danz, then please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, for you will be the first to step to learn and will know all about my latest upcoming videos related computer basic to advanced tutorial with quick tips and trick in English and mobile related useful app and settings in Hindi, which might help you work fast in your computer and help you stay productive. But before I start, let me have a quick explanation on it. Keyboard is considered the most commonly used input device used with a computer, similarly to an electric typewriter. It is used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons, or keys. The majority of the keyboard layout is going to be exactly the same, regardless of the types or makes of the models that you use. But I did just want to go quickly on what the keyboard parts are.
Remember that each type might be slightly different, especially if we talk about a laptop keyboard versus a regular desktop keyboard. Laptop keyboard can often have keys in different places, so you might need to be more familiar with your laptop keyboard than you do with your regular keyboard. So let us know now why we use keyboard. We use keyboard to write or enter characters and functions into a computer by pressing its buttons or keys. A computer keyboard looks like a typewriter keyboard. It has many small buttons on it, which are called keys that help us to type text. So whatever we type on a keyboard appears on a computer at the cursor position. Now what do you mean by cursor? Cursor is a small blinking line on a computer screen. There are usually 104 different types of keys on a keyboard. There are different types of keys to perform different types of tasks. So now let us see the different types of keys which are available on your keyboard. There are 6 different types of keys on a keyboard. They are alphabet keys, number keys, numeric keys, function keys, special keys, and symbol keys. These are the 6 different types of keys available in your keyboard. So now let us see one by one the use of these keys. Alphabet keys. These keys are used to type letters and words. It resembles the keys of the typewriter. Due to its rows of the alphabets Q, W, E, R, T, Y, it is called a QWERTY keyboard or a keypad. Next we have number keys. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of keys are placed above the letter keys, and one set is on the right side of the keyboard, 0 to 9. This numeric keypad can be used only when the num lock is on. How can you use this keypad? To use this keypad, you should first press the num lock key once and ensure that the light glows at the upper right side of the keyboard. Then start typing. Next we have function keys. These keys are used for different functions in different programs. It is found at the top of the keyboard. These are marked from F1 to F12. For example, F1 open help in almost all programs. Next we have enter keys. These keys are located at the 2 sides on your keyboard. These keys are also known as return keys, which can be used to move or send the cursor to the beginning of your next line. Next we have spacebar. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between 2 characters. So why it is long? Because we use space between words quite often. That's why it is long. So in order to give space between 2 words, we need the spacebar. So spacebar help us to give space between 2 characters, or we can say 2 words. Next we have arrow keys. These keys are also called cursor control keys or cursor moving keys. They are used to move the cursor left, right, up, and down. So using these keys, we can move the cursor at any side on the screen. Next we have Tab key. This key is used to insert few space to the right. When you press a Tab key, what you will notice is it moves a half a bit inch at a time. It also helps you indent a paragraph, move from one field to the another, and also help you to move within a table. Next we have control keys. That is CTRL. These keys are used for several purposes in combination with different letters on your keyboard. For example, if you press CTRL plus S at the same time, you can save a file. Next we have Shift keys. These keys are used to type special symbols printed on the upper side of the numeric keys and some other keys. It will also help you to type single capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. To type a symbols, first you have to hold the Shift key on your keyboard and hit the symbol keys that you want to type. Then you will see it appear on the screen. And also you can type a capital letter by holding the Shift key. Along with the letter that you want to type, you will see it appear on the screen when the cap lock key is off. So in this way you can type any symbols or any letters in uppercase or in capital form using the Shift key.
Click the thumb icon to like this video.
Next we have backspace key. This key erases the letter to the left of the cursor. This key is marked with the left arrow. And next and the last key we have is the delete key. This key erases anything that you have typed on the right side of the cursor.
Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel for more.